Due to production demands and a shortage of experienced mechanics, maintenance on flow wrappers is often reduced to immediate problem solving. In the rush to restore production, this reactive maintenance relies on short-term fixes that don't fully resolve the underlying cause of the problem and fail to restore peak efficiency. Repeat problems require additional quick fixes and further erode efficiency. This Greener Tech Bite describes a systematic preventative maintenance program for flow wrappers that sustains peak efficiency and production levels. If you and your team don't have the required time or experience to implement preventative maintenance, Greener's technical specialists can provide regularly scheduled on-site visits to perform line evaluations, make necessary updates, and provide training on these procedures. The following flow wrapper components and adjustments, from the product feed through to the package discharge, should be evaluated and updated at least every 3 months. For links to implementation details for each process, visit greenercorp.com/pm. On the product infeed, stretched or worn components cause product misalignment and create timing problems. Replace worn or stretched infeed flight chains. Inspect the belts, even those with automatic tensioners, and replace them if they are stretched, worn, or frayed and can't hold the proper tension. The product infeed should be level and aligned with the flow wrapper. Check the rails, deck plates, and the forming box for misalignment or damage, and readjust, repair, or replace them as needed. When not level, smooth, or properly positioned, these components inhibit movement of the product and packaging material, causing malformed packages that delay production. Replace the bearings of shafts and rollers in the packaging material unwind that don't spin freely. They create excess tension that causes tracking problems. Fin wheel issues can cause slippage, poor tracking, and seal problems. Make sure that the tension between the fin wheels is correct, and adjust their tilt to prevent slippage and create tighter packages. Replace fin wheels that are worn, damaged, or have sharp edges. Check the condition of the fin wheel bearings and replace them if needed. The cutting and sealing head requires frequent inspection and updating. Check for and remove backlash between the upper and lower sealing jaws. Inspect the gears and replace them if necessary. Assess the condition of the springs or compression washers and adjust or replace them as needed. Worn bearings cause chronic problems that can be difficult to diagnose. Follow the evaluation process at greenercorp.com/WB to determine if new bearings are needed. Next, remove the knives and anvils, and with the sealing jaws at operating temperature, run carbon impressions to evaluate their condition and setup. Replace worn or damaged jaws. Check and, if needed, readjust the clearance, phasing, serration alignment, and pressure. Clean the slots to ensure that knives and anvils can be firmly and accurately seated. To prevent cutting problems, always replace the anvil when installing a new knife. After adjusting the knife with shims or adjustment screws, recheck your sealing setup with another carbon impression. At any point in the packaging process, insufficient cleaning can degrade efficiency. Clean components such as belts, formers, deck plates, fin wheels, and both the upper and lower sealing jaws during scheduled production breaks and whenever time allows, before problems occur. Relying on reactive maintenance erodes package quality and output levels. If you don't have a systematic preventative maintenance program for your flow wrappers, consider partnering with Greener Corporation for regularly scheduled technical service visits. Our technical specialists will perform line evaluations, make necessary updates, and provide training to keep your flow wrappers running at peak efficiency. To learn more, contact Greener Corporation. We provide integrated parts and technical service solutions worldwide.